If you searched how to buy shares of ZW Data Action Technologies, Inc., ticker CNET, this video will walk you through the steps. ZW Data Action Technologies, Inc. operates in the data and technology sector and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CNET. This content is educational and not financial advice. To place a trade, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically with a photo ID, and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker CNET to find the listing quickly. Select the result that matches ZW Data Action Technologies, Inc., so you are sure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, check the company summary and sector information and review the price chart to understand recent movement. Confirm the company name shows ZW Data Action Technologies, Inc. and the ticker CNET before proceeding. To invest, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be placed as a pending instruction, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase can be finalized. Once the order is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A demo link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.